Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to close your Sellfy store. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and close your Sellfy store. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So, but before that, we just need to go and check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have the account settings, billing, email notification, purchases, and logout. And of course, we have the store and marketing on the left side of the screen. But now, guys, let's see what you need to do to close the store. First of all, click on the top left corner of your screen on your name here. And click out of all of these six options, click on account settings. When you're here, guys, we have a lot of settings. We have the dashboard language, account email, you have the password changer, and you have the delete account option. So your account and order information and any uploaded files will be permanently removed from Sellfy. These can be removed. They will lose access. You will lose access to your account and any uploaded files. These can be recovered. So before deleting your account, guys, keep this in mind. Then just click delete. Of course, type the account password so you can of course delete the account. Click delete account. Okay, sorry, I missed my password. Click delete account, and account is deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys!